Today I'm making white chocolate panna cotta. To add your 4 sheets of gelatin to a bowl of cold water and leave on the side for 5 minutes to soften. Finally, chop your white chocolate so it's ready for later. Place your double cream and milk into a saucepan and give it a little stir. Place your pan onto a medium-low heat and continue to stir until the mixture is hot but not boiling. It's ready when you can see little bubbles on the bottom of your pan. Take it off the heat, pour in your white chocolate and sugar and continue to stir until it is all combined and the sugar seems to have melted. Squeeze all of the water out of your gelatin and stir it into your creamy mixture until dissolved, and then finally stir in your vanilla extract. Pour the mixture through a sieve to leave behind any unwanted bits, then evenly divide the mixture between your moulds. Place in the fridge for at least 4 hours to set, or preferably overnight. To create the chocolate shards, melt some chocolate over a double boiler or in the microwave and pour onto a piece of baking parchment. Smooth the chocolate out with an angled spatula into a 2mm thick rectangle. Next, I'm going to sprinkle over some freeze-dried strawberries. Feel free to sprinkle anything else onto the chocolate and then leave in the fridge until chilled. When your panna cottas are set and you are ready to serve them, place them into some hot water for a few seconds to help release them from their moulds. You may need to run a knife around the edge to help it out. I'm decorating my panna cottas with some berry coulis. You can either buy shop bought or you can watch my video here on how I made it. So that's white chocolate panna cotta, easy. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any requests in the comment box below.